everyone, it's Julia, and I'm back with another tour of my flea market shop. We've been open for, I think this is my fourth weekend. We had an extra weekend in May because of the early Memorial weekend. So anyway, I have a couple changes that I wanted to show you, some things that I've been working on, and also some new updates to my shop. I have a lot of my upcycles out front, and I have this rack that I pull out, and as long as it's not raining, it stays out. And then I also display some of my upcycles outside. It kind of draws people in because they're so unique. I usually keep my sides open. I have this big 10 by 20 canopy on the front of my building. And I usually have my sides open, but today it was really windy, and so I had to keep them down. Otherwise, I display outside as well and have things underneath the tree. But as you walk in, on the right-hand side, I have my Americana patriotic display. And I will have this probably almost through July because it is our 250th celebration. And you've probably recognized some of those things I've done little videos on. And then on the opposite side, as you walk under my canopy, right now I have my fruit display or theme. Did a scrappy strawberry applique and some cherries. Also have some bags and pillows that are fruit related. On to some of my bicycle things. A lot of my denim jeans, just because I love them. They sell pretty good. I mean, they're not, but I just love them. I just kind of grew up in that era. Have this table right up front where I change out a lot. Sometimes some of my smaller things. My Minnesota items, and I sell a lot of piece things. Like I said, grew up in that era, so I just kind of reliving my teenage years. You can see some of my things. I started out when doing outside shows many years ago, did only clothing because that was like the category I was juried into. But now that I have my little summer shop and I don't do outside shows anymore, I've really added a lot more fun things like scarves. Those weaves are not mine, they're a friend's, but they're beautiful, a nice addition. I do beach towel hats and shorts and totes and my cards and my eyeglass cases. That's where I sit and sew. So I'm still outside. But that's where I sit and I interact with customers and I sew. Now walking in, the biggest change is I added a new floor. I rent this building, and so improvements are on my bill, but I just needed a floor so bad. So my husband helped me put this vinyl floor in. I love it, and it makes it so much cleaner and brighter in there. I'm doing these reclaimed Bibles. So I find the Bibles at thrift stores and then I add the little covers. I've been selling them to younger kids and I'm just pleased and thrilled about that. My jewelry, and then again, it's all stitched. I have cuffs and little statement pendants, and it's just like a little area, bangles and just things. That Stitch in Time, that table topper I found here at the flea market. I love it. It's just like, it's me. Another big addition is this permanent dressing room, which I have never had before. Before, I've always set up a screen. But anyway, so that's another new addition, and it's just been so wonderful. I have this back table that I sell a lot of things, and I sell a lot of patches. So anybody who does craft shows, you might want to add patches, because I tell you, I'm just the flower patches and the peace sign patches. That little garment rack, I have things that are not as season, or not really the summer. They're more my heavier sweatshirts, which will get moved out as we get closer to fall. So I kind of switch around. That little wooden thing, that stand was my mom's sewing chest, and it used to sit right beside a chair, and you can put your current project in. I love it, and I love displaying it out here and talking about it, and it's just real special to me. And again, a lot of these things you've seen. I've done show granny squares, and then I also have some Afghans that aren't mine, but then again, I'm selling them for a friend. And now we're back around, and I have a little table here that I usually do a themed, and then you can see the open window where my sewing machine sits. So I have my power cord running through this open window, and then I can talk to customers that are in and or out of my little space. Zooming around here, right when you walk in, there's a table. And again, I changed this out, but right now I have some of my journals and some of my little things, fabric wallets. I also carry my daughter-in-law's oils. She's a chemist, so these are her formulas. And this is a body ache roll that I'm pointing to there. Wonderful for our sewing shoulders and necks. It just feels wonderful. I might do a little promotion for her at some point on my channel, link her store when she's getting it up and going a little bit more. And now we're heading out again. I hope you enjoyed this, everybody. I love my little space. This is my 22nd year in my little building, and it's been such a blessing for me. Hope you have a great week. Bye for now.